Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter Crew Cab Highline Edition. This is a short wheelbase version which comes with 39,000 miles on the clock, and I'm just taking you around the vehicle now, and I'll just show you inside the passenger seat, the front part of the cab. As we can see, we have 3 seats at the front, including armrests for the driver, of course, because if you are driving this thing, of course, you need to be in more comfort than anyone else. And of course, in the back, we've got 3 bench seated at the back as well. And if I just pop all the way around to the back, I'll pop up the tailgate and show you the space in the car. There we go. Now, if I just hop round to the driver's seat, I will show you some of the conveniences inside this vehicle. Just shut the door up there for you. So immediately I can tell you we have cruise control, voice assist, and also navigation, lane assist, drive assist. Go through the driving data, vehicle status such as tyre pressures. It's 6 gears, air conditioning. We hop over to the radio, we just turn it on. We have satellite navigation, of course, digital audio broadcasting, Bluetooth, and then if I just pop it into reverse for you as well, you can see we have a reversing camera as well.